Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very, very nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was to where it ultimately decided to close right there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a nice move today. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is, I'm going to call right here at $4.20. Why is $4.20 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 420. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Let's say a pretty drastic pullback happens. Not saying it will, but for example's sake, let's say something like this happens. Price goes all the way down there and then acts in that manner. What would you have even after a very drastic pullback? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. Truly strong moves make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the term make progress as $4.20. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, and I'm not sure if this is where the price got rejected from today or not, pretty darn close, right up around $4.55. So the price peaked its head above there a little bit, but $4.55 is going to be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But in my opinion, at least, breaking levels of resistance, not really the top priority right now. Top priority is going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases, because as long as there's higher bases being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it, nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon it or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.